Hey neighbors, how y'all doing today? It is Miss C and I'm coming to you with an instructional video on how to make my chocolate protein smoothie by Vega. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Plant-based protein and greens, chocolate flavor. I will be doing chocolate banana today. So I have my bananas here, as you can see, nice and ripe, ready to go. I will be using both of those. Well, maybe just one, depending on how I'm feeling. Here is my NutriBullet. Let me raise it up so y'all can see it. Hold on, let me bring it closer. NutriBullet 900 series. Okay. So I need to plug it in. Alright, say, unscrew this, push that back, open up my cup here. Okay, so we have our powder, we have our bananas, and all we need left is water and our baby spinach. This is what I will be using. It already have greens in the protein powder, but I just like to add more greens to my smoothies. So let's get it popping. Okay, so let me see if y'all can see what I'm putting in here. Okay, I'm putting some spinach in. Alright, that's enough for right now. Okay, let's get one of these juicy bananas. Have my cup ready. Put that down in there like that. All right, so here's the spinach and one banana. Let me open up the protein powder. This is how it comes. It is sealed when you get it for freshness. If that seal is broken in any way, bring it back to your store or wherever you purchased it from. I purchased this from Walmart.com, but you know when you make a purchase from Walmart.com, you can bring it back to the store. Okay, and Vega getting a little cheap because usually, oh, okay, I was about to say. Because usually they give you a little scoop or something. But this in here is just hiding. Hold on, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all how far that thing was back under there. Y'all see the scooper right there? Too funny. I was like, dang, they getting cheap. As much as you pay for this right here. Okay. And I'm gonna do a scoop. Can y'all see that? Yes, honey. About to knock y'all over. And another scoop, heaping scoop. It is a powder, so it can get messy if you're not careful with it. And that is that again. Alright. Only thing left we need is water. And some ice. That's it. Not much at all to this delicious smoothie. Close that up really tight. You can even give it a good shake if you want. Hold it down really tight. I like to shake it a little bit since it got the powder in here. That look good already, don't it? Look like some chocolate milk. But this is gonna be delicious. So you push down. Some got out. Something is loose. But either way, this is how you make the smoothie. In the kitchen, you never know how it's gonna turn out, y'all. Sometimes it's beautiful, sometimes it's disastrous, but either way. And you get your favorite glass, or just any glass. It don't gotta be your favorite. But get you a cup. And pour that delicious smoothie on in there. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Yes, honey. That is good. Put it on there like that. You could take it with you or drink it all at home. That's what I'm about to do. So thank you for joining me for my smoothie video. I truly do appreciate it. And you have a great day.